Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. This one is Nacho cheese. Like and subscribe. Let's get started. So for the ingredients, we are going to need 250 grams of matured cheddar, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 tablespoon of diced pickled jalapeno. Next, we'll make a roux by melting some butter, then adding our flour. We just want a thin roux, we don't want it too thick. Whisk it until it starts to thicken up. Once you're getting some bubbles around the edges, we'll add our milk. Again, give it a good whisk. This will start to thicken up again. Then add in your cheese, give it a good mix. That will start melting. And then in with your jalapenos. Then you're ready to pour over your nachos or use as a dip. Hope you enjoyed that, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.
Cheese it! Robot!